Hi guys, this is Diane Hogarth here with my course, How to Automate Your Business. If you're on Facebook, you need a fan page. Why do you need a fan page? Because you can automate it. You can actually bulk do your posts and put them on automatic pilot to go out day by day. Also, you can use a chatbot, which I'll show you in another video. And if you put a post up, you can do an automatic message. So this is all while you sleep. This is how you get sales in your sleep. Also, when you get quite advanced, you can do Facebook ads and use your target market, which is obviously another video, but also you can do Facebook insights as to the target market, and you can highly target your market in Facebook. So step one is make a fan page. So I'm just going to share my screen. Come on, little screen. Here we go. So you're in your profile and you click create. Create a page. And I'm a public figure. My name is going to be the same as my Millionaire Mom YouTube channel. And I'm going to be an entrepreneur. So continue. This is live, guys. So it's gone really slow. Add a profile picture. Upload a profile picture. So that would be on your desktop. That one there. Upload a cover photo, which would be in the downloads, I think. I think I put it in downloads, I'm not sure. Millionaire Mom Facebook photo, here we go. My friend did this one for me. Please choose an image and at least, okay. It's too big then. But we don't mind that. I'll get another one, but that's how you upload a photo. So you can do that later. All you've got to do is set the page up. So there you go. That's how to make a fan page. It doesn't take very long. And then you can invite friends to like your page. And then you can start getting some likes. Another great thing about fan pages is you can get people who've used your services and you can get reviews, and they can give you 3-star, 4-star, 5-star reviews, and therefore you've got social proof that you are what they say you are. See you on the next video. Bye.